Bunny found a patch of land and decided he wanted to grow a garden. This will be my biggest project yet. Bunny asked his friends, "What should I plant?" Each friend had different suggestions. Bunny began preparing the soil, but it was hard work. "I can't do this alone," he realized. Squeaky came over with a small shovel. "Let me help, Bunny. Together we can do it." Bunny and Squeaky worked tirelessly, planting seeds and watering them every day. Days turned into weeks, and Bunny started to get impatient. "Why aren't my plants growing?" Wise Old Owl visited Bunny and said, "Patience, Bunny. Good things take time." Bunny kept working even when it seemed hopeless. He sang to his plants every morning. One day, tiny sprouts began to appear. Bunny was thrilled. "It's working, it's really working." Bunny took extra care of his plants, protecting them from pests and giving them plenty of sunlight. The garden grew lush and green. Bunny's hard work was paying off. Bunny's friends came to see the beautiful garden. "Wow, Bunny, you did an amazing job." Bunny shared the fruits and vegetables with all his friends, feeling proud of his accomplishment. Bunny learned that patience and persistence are key to achieving great things. The scene ends with Bunny and his friends enjoying a feast from the garden. Remember to subscribe, like, and share Bunny's adventures. More exciting stories coming soon.